Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about verification steps in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in this video I will show you the verification steps in Claude Cowork. We will ask simply Claude Cowork to create a simple Python function that includes tests, and you will see that the Claude Cowork will actually run this test in order to check if his work is correct. And this final step is not random. Why? Because it is intentional verification in order for the model to check if his code is correct, if his output is if his output is correct, and everything that he's done is fine. So now we will move into Cowork, and now we will ask it to, for example, write a Python function and include basic unit tests. So we will not specify the topic of the function, it doesn't really matter in that case, we will just run it like this. So let's press enter. As you can see, we have the thinking process, so everything is as usual. We are loading the tools that will allow us to create a file. I will write a clean Python file with a practical function and unit steps, then run themselves to confirm everything passes. As I said, after creating the Python file and the unit tests, even though I didn't ask it in the prompt, he will run this test in order to confirm it. So this is how it works. Here's the summary of what is in the file. You have described data. It takes a list of numbers and returns a dictionary with count, mean, median, and so on. It doesn't really matter how does it work. It is very important that by default model will run this test in order to verify its work and check if everything is working correctly. You can of course open this file here. As you can see, here we have the Python file, we have the main describe function, as you can see, and here we have the class with the tests, and we are calling some unit tests. It doesn't really matter in that case what this function is about, but as you can see, we are using the most basic unit test, where we are checking some values, and we are basically checking if this function is correct. So this is how it works, and why model is doing this. Model is doing this because if you have, for example, a longer code or longer program to write, it can have a silent errors like incorrect assumption or formatting issues, and this is why the model is checking that, especially in Python, when you don't have, for example, the braces like in C++, but you have to use a tab in order to make the code syntax work fine. So in that Python case, it is very important. And that's all in this video. This is how the additional verification step in Claude Cowork works. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.